Kamakailan lamang po ay ginanap ang isang conference na pinangunahan ng mga Professional Attestation Society of the Philippines kasama ang Kagawaran ng Kalusugan at ng TESDA. Alamin natin ang layunin at mga nangyaring aktibidad sa naturang event. Panoorin po natin ito.
Pathways to Safe and Advanced Aesthetic Spa Care, Navigating Excellence in Practice. Iyan ang tema sa kauna-unang conference ng Professional Aestheticians Association of the Philippines o PAAP. Layunin ng pagtitipong ito na palalimin ang talastasan sa pagitan ng mga eksperto, practitioners at mga tagapagtaguyod ng patakaran sa mga bagong paksa at hamon sa industriya nito.
Malayo pa ang pupuntahan natin pero nakatapak na tayo kung saan yung pinaka-goal natin is ma-recognize nationally, especially ng gobyerno natin.
We have felt the support of all aestheticians, not just in Luzon, but also in Visayas and Mindanao.
And we are aiming also to professionalize and standardize all aestheticians and permanent makeup artists in the Philippines.
Looks like everyone's going to have a great time and a good future here in PAAP.
We are able to get the support of TESDA as well as Department of Health. And because of these government institution tie-ups with them, slowly yung aming mga vision, yung aming mga goals dito sa aming industry, unti-unti magkakaroon ng realization.
Nagbigay ng suporta at nakisalamuha din ng TESDA at DOH sa naturang aktibidad.